keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened. Bank Negara Malaysia on the 9th of June announced that the Yang di-Pertuan Agong has consented to appoint Datuk Sheikh Abdul Rashid Abdul Ghaffar as governor for a 5-year term effective 1 July 2023 to 30 June 2028. He will assume the position of governor from Tan Sri Nur Shamsia Muhammad Yunos, who completes her 5-year term on 30 June 2023. Governor Shamsia said, "It has been a privilege and honor to have led the bank for the past 5 years. I am thankful for the opportunity to lead the bank in service to the country, especially during such a tumultuous and critical period for the nation. I am confident that Rashid is the right person to helm the bank as governor, having worked closely with him for many years. I have full faith in his ability to lead the bank, and to continue delivering on the bank's mandate to promote monetary and financial stability that is conducive to the sustainable growth of the Malaysian economy." Bursa Malaysia has expanded its criteria for approved securities by reducing the daily market capitalization requirement from 500 million ringgit to 200 million ringgit, effective 12 June. The revision is part of Bursa Malaysia's ongoing commitment to fostering a dynamic and vibrant market, by offering market participants a broader selection of approved securities aimed at meeting investors' evolving needs. Approved securities are securities that have met the criteria prescribed by the exchange and may be utilized for purposes of securities borrowing and lending, and short selling. The expansion of approved securities will provide greater ability for investors to manage their portfolios and boost vibrancy in securities borrowing and lending activities, an important component of a well-functioning capital market. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has made it mandatory for providers of execution-only platforms for direct plans of mutual fund schemes to get registered in case they wish to offer services. While investors may find it convenient to avail services of such online platforms, those who are not clients of such intermediaries under the regulations may not have recourse or protection for the risks associated with the transactions. The Securities Commission Malaysia said foreign fund operators will soon be able to lodge and launch funds here for high net worth entities and institutional investors under foreign exempt schemes framework to be launched by the end of the year. SC Managing Director Kamaruddin Hashim said the framework will allow foreign fund operators that are a related corporation to ASC licensed fund manager to lodge and launch their foreign funds. He added that the framework will add greater diversity to the onshore fund options in the domestic capital market, as well as expand the scope of product offerings for fund managers. The Securities Commission Malaysia is looking at providing flexibility for the calculation of high net worth individual thresholds, and expanding the qualification criteria. The expansion of the qualification criteria of sophisticated investors will take into account their knowledge and experience, as part of efforts to widen the sophisticated investor base, said the SC Managing Director Kamaruddin Hashim. Concurrently, the regulator is also looking at expanding angel investor participation beyond the private market and micro, small and medium enterprise space, Kamaruddin said in his keynote address at the International Institutional Investor Series 2023. This ensures the basis of investor categorization serves as the most effective means to categorize investors, which in turn would enable them to be accorded the appropriate level of regulatory protection and at the same time facilitate capital formation, Kamaruddin said. Boost your sustainability knowledge and skills for a better world. Connect with sustainability leaders and peers for inspiration and collaboration. Learn from the best practices and case studies to achieve your sustainability goals. The SIDCSRI 2023 virtual conference will take place from 21 to the 22nd of June. Registration link is in the description. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its annual report 2022 with the theme, "In the Grand Scheme of Things." Visit FIMM's official website to download a digital copy. The latest e-zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. This edition features articles on the usage of social media for investment marketing, an introduction to vulnerable investors, as well as the recent Global Money Week. Download your copy today and stay informed about the latest developments in the industry. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.